Hi everybody, I'm Nidhi Tandon and we are based out of Malviya Nagar. So we have a studio by appointment here, and today we are getting you a Women's Day bumper sale wherein we are showing you some westerns, some suits, some dresses, some shirts, and everything is on a free ship. And the video is only up till 1495. सिर्फ 1495 तक प्राइसिंग रहेगी. उसके उसके ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा. So it's a very nice, beautiful video. Let's avail the opportunity. Also, मैं कहना चाह रही हूँ कि COD हमारे पास नहीं है. DHL for abroad and DTDC couriers for India. So from the pandemic to now, we have done a lot of startups. So हमारा होलसेल रिटेल दोनों रहेगा. आप एमलगमेशन भी ले सकते हैं 12 पीसेस की, या सिंगल पीस बाय कर सकते हैं. So our shipping is pan India and all over the world. So let's all subscribe to this channel and share it with family, friends, lot of people. So let's start off the video. Showing you a beautiful dress, and this is a Radharani this neck piece. It's a statement neck piece. अगर आपको neck piece on religious sentiments change करना आप कर सकते हैं. And this is a tunic कम काफ्तान आप ड्रेस की तरह भी डाल सकते हो, और इसके नीचे कोई भी टाइट्स पलाजो डाल सकते हो. Price of this is only and only 1095. Another piece. So free size था वो. Is again a beautiful nice tunic dress. It's a imported piece. It's a chiffon and a cotton blend. बहुत ही प्यारा फैब्रिक रहता है ये. और ये आपका नेक पीस, इसका वुडन नेक पीस. That's the back. And every piece of ours we get some statement neck piece to pep it up. And this is also 1095. Another one is this. So इसमें भी हमने बहुत ही क्यूट सा नेक पीस डाल रखा है. आपने देखा होगा बीड्स और इसके साथ. एंड दिस इज अगेन अ मीडियम टू अ डबल एक्सेल. इससे पहले वाला पीस भी मीडियम टू अ डबल एक्सेल था. दैट्स योर बैक. 2 लेयर्स में आ रहा है. प्राइस इज 1195 ओनली. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल. दिस इज लाइक अ beautiful nice kaftan sort of a piece, but it's a dress and I think lilac is really in. और उसके साथ हमने आपको दिए बीड्स. प्राइस इज 1195 ओनली. Another one. ये आपका आ रहा है मीडियम टू अ गुड नाइस डबल एक्सेल sort of a piece. Comes with green beads. Price is, because of the beads, 1195. Another piece is a beautiful dress. So I personally have the same dress, and this is a chiffle. Comes with pockets. This is the bag to go with it. So bag is optional. Bag अगर आपको लेना है तो 1495. और अगर आपको सिर्फ ड्रेस लेनी है तो 1100 ओनली. द ड्रेस इज 1100 ओनली. द बैग इज 1495 separately. Another one are beautiful tunics cum shirts. These are beautiful birdies. So इसमें अगर आप देखोगे डेनिम में शेडिंग आ रही है और बर्ड्स हैं, और ये आपका प्लेन डार्किश लिप piece है with birds. The price of this article is only and only 1495. Coming up with some statement dresses, and this one is a small, medium, large. The price is only 888. SML 888 with beads. Another dress मीडियम से लेकर डबल एक्सेल तक रहेगी. ये आपकी इसके पिंटेक्स आ रहे हैं. बहुत प्रिटी सा आर्टिकल है. दिस इज द बीट. द प्राइस इज ओनली and only 1195. Another article. We put a green neck piece to pep it up. Medium to 3XL. Price is only 888. Another beautiful dress. ये भी बहुत अच्छी चीज कॉटन की ड्रेस है. ये आपके बीड्स आ गए, ये फॉल्स मिरर्स आ गए. That's your back. Price is only 999. Next piece is a इक्कद ड्रेस. ठीक है, ये आपकी मीडियम टू एक्सेल आ गया. ये आपके बटन्स, बीड्स, प्राइस इज ओनली 999 एंड इक्कत इज 550 रुपीज अ मीटर अगर वो ओरिजिनल हो, और ये आ रहा है अंगरख पैटर्न में. स्मॉल मीडियम लार्ज, नीड ऑफ द आवर. प्राइस इज ओनली 795. A free size and a plus size dress. Do not miss it. The price of this is only 1200. Another one, another one is this. This is a very rich, nice number. Price is only 999. Comes with a handcrafted neck piece. It's a tunic. 999. Medium to 3XL रहेगा. Small, medium, large. Only you can apply with the belt is there. Price is 888. Another one is this. ये भी आपका high low pattern आ रहा है. So it's a high and a low. Button देख लो पीछे. Neck piece is par excellence. Price is only flat 1000. Another one, small, medium, large. Another beautiful tunic with black beads. Price is 999. Another tunic. So this is a like you can wear with white tights, blue tights, grey tights. Very nice piece with beads. Price is only 888. Another piece for 888 is this. It's got all embroidery. और मीडियम टू 39-40 चेस्ट आएगा. प्राइस इज 888. प्योर कॉटन लिनन. Another one, small medium only. Price is 700. Showing you some beautiful shirts, and you can see this one. These are all a batch of white. First I'm showing you, and this is a mull cotton. You can see this. Medium to 2XL वालों को आएगा. Another one is this. A beautiful, nice, rich piece. Look at this. 1095. Another one. Do not miss it. It's only and only 999. Another one is a little high-low. Look at this. High and a low. और शिफले ये देखिए. Piece is only and only pure. It's pure cotton linen first of all, and 999. Another one is a SML-XL with laces. This is the thing. Price is 888. Pure cotton again. Then we have this imported piece for 750. Medium to XXL. Another imported piece. First I will show you the back. Look at this. And this is the denim look. It's a medium to a good XL XXL. Price is 1095. Another one. Medium to a 3XL, a floral piece, and do not miss this beautiful handcrafted neck piece. 999. Another one. Pure cotton is the need of the hour. Medium to XXL. Mull cotton है, बहुत अच्छा piece है, and the price is only 888. Do not miss this piece. It's a crepe piece. We started our day selling the other color, and this is a fluorescent green. It's a free American size for 1399. And now some Kardana shirts which are really classy and cool. इनको आप शरारे से लेके, लहंगे से लेके, ट्राउजर से लेकर किसी भी पलाजो के साथ डाल सकते हैं. पूरा हाथ का काम आपको नजर आ रहा होगा. That's the back. इसकी चाक पे भी पूरा नलकी का काम है. But it doesn't have a lining. आप अपना कैमिजोल डाल सकते हैं. Price is 1495. Second color is this. 1495 only. Back, front, सब में काम है. और इसका भी आप कटदाना देखिए. दोनों का कटदाना आराम से देखिए. बहुत ही अच्छे क्लासिक से पीसेस हैं. And next is a good black color. So this is also very classy. ये देखिए. That's the color tone. And now a beautiful bandhej piece, pure cotton, and before Holi I love this color. Pure cotton में है. Price is 999, comes with a beautiful neck piece इस तरह से, medium to 3XL 999. Plus sizes we haven't forgotten you, and we come with such solid beads. Price is 1099. This is for the plus sizes. Small mediums only. This is again a very nice piece with this neck piece. Large तक आएगा ये piece. Price is 999. Next piece. Next piece coming up is a beautiful cotton mull. Small, medium, large, XL, double XL. Look at this. बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है. Price is 999. Hip covering. Beautiful shirt. Another one. मीडियम से लेकर डबल एक्सेल तक these beads are really nice. क्रेप का सुपर सॉफ्ट पीस है. प्राइस इज ओनली 888. Another article. ये आपका है M2 3XL. गुड नाइस सॉलिड रेड कलर, प्योर कॉटन में, 888. सुपर सॉफ्ट चीज कॉटन. डू नॉट मिस दिस वाइब. ये इसकी स्लीव्स है. Price is 999. You crave for such articles. Medium to double XL. Pure cotton tie and dye. Pure cotton tie and dye. 888. Medium से लेकर double XL. So standard हमने जो आपने sizes बोले हैं वो आपके आ ही रहे हैं. And another piece which I'm showing you is a premium crepe article. Unmissably yours type of a piece. ये आपका 1495 रहेगा. Another one is again a plus size तक आएगा ये भी. Because of the neck piece and the hip cover, it is 1495. Another pure cotton article. इसका neck piece is missing, but we will add one. Please claim one. I'll put it right away. I'm putting it right away so that there is no confusion. ठीक है, ये शर्ट ड्रेस बोल लो या शर्ट बोल लो, इसको कुछ भी बोल लो. प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज फ्लैट 1000. Another shirt dress is a beautiful crepe article. Medium to double XL रहेगी, 1195. And then we have this fully embroidered full on shirt. Medium to XL रहेगा for sure. Price is 1150. 1150. Showing you all off-white and a white collection, and this is a medium large, and you can see that it has work on the collar and the pockets, and it's a muslin premium cord with a little lace here. Price is 1195 only. Another one is a small medium large again with beads, and it's a khadi cotton linen with a belt. The price is 1095 only. And then we have these which are 999 only. 2 colors, 999 only, pure cotton, beautiful cords. Another one, medium से लेकर ये भी large रहेगा. This is 1195 only, and this is the look of the cord. Then we have this up till the 3XL, and the price is 1495. Again इसमें belt रहेगी, tighten और loosen करने के लिए. ये इसकी sleeves है. That's the sleeves. Then we have medium to a double XL in this gorgeous cord. Price is 1495 only. Look at this. Medium to XL. A very pretty cord. और इसका आप ये देख सकते हो, ये इसका lower area. Price is 1495 only. Another very rich cord. इसमें हमारे 2 colors हैं और बहुत ही बेहतरीन कॉटन का पीस है ये. 1495 ओनली गाइस. नेक्स्ट पीस इज अ गॉर्जियस पीस, मीडियम टू अ डबल एक्सेल, और आप देख सकते हो ये इसकी स्लीव्स. इट्स अ इलोंगेटेड क्वाड. 1495. एंड देन वी हैव स्किपिंग डिफरेंट साइजेस इन दीज 3 क्वाड्स. इसमें प्लस साइज भी हमारे पास होगा किसी ना किसी कलर में. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, बट यू कैन चेक इट आउट लेटर. द प्राइस इज 1495 only with work at the back too. Next piece. Next piece is a small, medium, large. A beautiful, funky, nice pinkish color. Price is 1295. Another article. ये आ रहा है आपका स्मॉल मीडियम लार्ज में, बहुत ही प्रिटी सा आर्टिकल आ रहा है. ये देखिए, प्राइस इज 1250. स्मॉल मीडियम ओनली, प्राइस इज ओनली एंड ओनली 999. दूसरा कलर. Another one is this. This one is again a very pretty nice number. और ये वाला आपका मीडियम टू एक्सेल रहेगा. द प्राइस इज 1350 ओनली. मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल, अगेन अ वेरी रिच आर्टिकल. ये आपकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी इसकी. प्राइस इज 1495. मीडियम टू लार्ज एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड क्वाड 1495. अगेन मीडियम टू लार्ज. सो ये दो कलर्स आ रहे हैं इसमें. Another one, medium to large again. ये देखिए, प्राइस इज ओनली 1200. Another one, medium to XL रहेगा गाइज ये, और प्राइस इज ओनली 999. मीडियम ओनली, small medium only, price is 1200. Off with beautiful kaftans, and this one is only 1050, and it comes with a neck piece, and it's a free size viscose rayon. Another one is this with a wooden neck piece. It's a satin crepe और इसका length भी लंबा है. It is 1100. And then we have this one. This you definitely need a slip, but it's a very nice digital classic piece. Price is flat 1000. Another piece for flat 1000 is this crepe one with beads. And then we have these digital kaftans. So we have this one. Prices with the beads 888. Another one is this with the beads 888. And this one out here is another one. This is flat 1000. Look at the beads. And the next to go is this digital. It is 888. Look at this. Another digital is this with the beads and the Swarovski 888. And the next to go is another beautiful kaftan. Look at this. This one is also 888. Do not miss these. These are classics. ये आपके प्योर कॉटन लिनन के पीसेस हैं, और मैं आपको 3 पीस दिखा रही हूँ. ये वाला है 1495 in a rugged look. Pure cotton linen is the need of the hour, and these are dress cum kaftans. 1495 only. And another vibe to the kaftan is this. Do not miss it with the tulip pant concept. 1195 only. So guys, we are ending the video here, and it's a Women's Day special sale. Enjoy the video to the thrill. Subscribe our channel, share it with family, friends, whoever you feel is feasible. So thank you so much. 3 cheers to the YouTube community. Please follow us on Instagram, which is Mystic_Studio 26, and Mystic Studio by Nidhi is our FB channel. Thank you.